Welcome to FEET.Teaching. Today I will talk about some friendly sentences in French and example that we will use every day. Today's sentences is you blah blah blah, right? Tu blah blah blah, no? Tu blah blah blah, no? If you remember something or hobbies of the other person, he will think you are very caring. Let's see the following examples. You like wine, right? Tu aimes le vin, non? Tu aimes le vin, non? You play tennis, right? Tu joues au tennis, non? Tu joues au tennis, non? You work in the law firm, right? Tu travailles dans un cabinet d'avocat, non? Tu travailles dans un cabinet d'avocat, non? You have 20 days of annual leave, right? Tu as 20 jours de congé annuel, non? Tu as 20 jours de congé annuel, non? You know how to use the Photoshop, right? Tu sais comment utiliser le Photoshop, non? Tu sais comment utiliser le Photoshop, non? You usually cook at home, right? Tu cuisines habituellement le déjeuner à la maison, non? Tu cuisines habituellement le déjeuner à la maison, non? I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Okay, that's all for today. Remember to like and share our videos. Bye bye!